when the Quran is being recited to us, when the Imam is here, especially during the months like in Ramadan, when we hear the entire Quran recited, do we understand that we are listening to He who fashioned us in the wombs of our mothers talking? Wallahi, we don't get it. We don't get it. We should be so attentive at that point. As if your own mother was talking to you, you sometimes are more attentive. When your father speaks to you, you're sometimes more attentive. But when Allah speaks to you, you're nodding off, you're waiting for the Imam. When is this going to be over? I'm ready to go to sleep. Allah is speaking to you. Allah is speaking to you. Do you understand how blessed you are to have that and know that and understand that? That your Creator still speaks to you. Wallahi, we have the most beautiful gift in Al-Quran. And Allah says about this book, if you don't believe me, Allah says about His own speech, وَنَزَلْنَا عَلَيْكَ الْكِتَابِ, and we revealed unto you the book, تِبْيَانَ لِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ. In it is everything. In it, contained within it, explained in it is everything. Do you doubt Allah's word? If Allah's word is true, then His own word is telling you that inside of this book is the explanation of everything. Everything is in here. Meaning this book that we neglect and we sit on shelves and watch it collect dust is everything that you would ever need as a human being in this life. It's all right here. The gift of Allah. The gift. And we turn a blind eye. Deaf ears. We have everything. And then Allah says, وَحُدَى, it's a guidance. وَرَحْمَةً, it's a mercy. وَبُشْرَى لِلْمُسْلِمِينَ, and it is good tidings. It gives happiness. It brings good news to those who believe.